In the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, Gremsy thrives strongly by having the right mentality. As a gimbal and payload manufacturer, we always strike for excellence, guaranteeing the best products with the highest quality and fastest delivery times. We operate in Vietnam and are trusted across the globe by UAV professionals, system integrators, service providers in multiple applications, such as mapping and inspection for dual-use purposes. Starting on April 13, 2011, Gremsy was founded by Vietnamese engineers, driven by a strong ambition to offer aerial video photography services. In 2013, the very first batch of gimbals was released. Continuing into 2017, Gremsy dominated the market with a wide range of gimbals, especially the H16 heavy gimbal that could handle payloads of up to 16 pounds, allowing the Gremsy H16 to run Red Epic RE Mini or F55. From 2018 to 2019, Gremsy shifted its focus to industrial and launched premium light to mid-size gimbals with the Pixie series that were designed to enhance maneuverability, overall performance, and flight time. 2020 was a remarkable year for custom integration solutions when Gremsy collaborated with notable clients such as Sony, Phase 1, Ophiel, and Skyfish. 2021 to 2023, Gremsy focused on payload research and development with the release of ZEO the Zoom payload. With powerful 30x zoom capabilities with super resolution, ZEO allows inspectors to get the data they need, enabling them to zoom in on potential defects in hard-to-reach spaces. And VIO, the most innovative multi-sensor payloads with O, IR, and laser rangefinders. VIO is one of the best possible solutions that is powerful in technical functionalities, yet compact in size, suitable for long-distance measurement applications, with a maximum range of up to 2,400 meters. From 2024 until now, Gremsy has successfully developed gyro payloads with ORIS-L and ORIS-S, optimizing the ingress protection rating that increases payload's tolerance under difficult conditions. In the development journey, Gremsy proudly worked together with 100 employees from research and development, production, sales and marketing, financial and accounting, offering flexibility on working procedure and efficiency. We developed the first carbon-heavy gimbal, EVO, mid-sided gimbals T3, T7, and S1, lightweight gimbals Pixie and Myo series, and tiny gimbals G-Hadron, payload VIO, ZEO, and gyro payload ORIS-L and ORIS-S. Gremsy offers a variety of gimbals and payloads that are compatible with a wide range of drone platforms, including DJI, QPilot, Pixhawk, and O-Terrion. Gremsy's core technology, which begins with BIO, features a high-precision sensor, a high-performance gimbal controller, and high-tech functionalities such as a video processing board, artificial intelligence object tracking, and UI/UX software, as well as high-strength carbon and aluminum materials. We keep expanding our product lines and implement integration projects. We work discreetly, responsibly, and become vital for many notable clients such as Sony, Phase 1, and Inspired Flight, making sure that our customers are satisfied with the delivered results. Our strategic relationships span the globe. We formed a partnership with Gremsy USA in Garden Grove, California, in early 2024 to better serve our customers in this region and assist the global delivery of VIO F1. So far, Gremsy has granted 13 distributors in North America, 12 in Europe, and 9 in Asia Pacific. The distribution network is crucial for Gremsy to quickly adapt to market changes. With certifications, we always strive to affirm and enhance our position in the drone and gimbal industry, showcasing our dedication to quality, environmental management, and sustainability to earn the trust of our customers and partners. Our talented teams of engineers and designers work tirelessly from conception to completion. Every detail is planned and executed to ensure excellence. The business partnership is at the core of our philosophy. We are building long-lasting relationships and organizing activities to engage and inspire our customers in international exhibitions such as Exponential, Commercial UAV, Japan Drone Show Korea, and many more. In the upcoming years, Gremsy is scaling up the company's size and relocating to a brand new location with a new manufacturing factory, a research center, new equipment with new generation camera modules, and opening up new opportunities. We are excited about the future and all the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the UAV industry. Thank you for choosing us. Let Gremsy fly with you.